Previously on Danielle Colada TV.
We are going to be making vision boards for every single area of life. We have to do 9 in one night. My goal is to be done filming this video in an hour. All right, it's gonna have to go. Hasn't been a perfect Vlogmas. Purple is my mind mastery pillar. When I think about what that means for me, it means like being calm. Oh, I forgot I made this. Isn't that perfect? That's cute. I didn't really want to put words on here, but fuck it. I meant to go to elements. There we go. Okay. I think calm. Ooh, yes, this. Vibey. What will it look like with no background? What else has to do with mind mastery? For me, it's all about just being like grounded. Journaling. Journaling. Okay. Cute. I'm more of a digital journaler myself, but I feel like spending time in nature, but none of these landscapes are gonna like, oh, maybe. Okay, send that to back. Ugh, that makes me not like that I have something with yellow here, so I'm gonna go back to journaling. Already gave you the time and the place. That song's been stuck in my head since Thanksgiving. Okay, cute. What else? It's about being like grounded and confident. Okay, wait. She's a baddie. And she is giving confident. All right. So let's send that to the back. Because I hate when people's like legs are like cut off like that. Okay. This one sucks. What else does it mean to me? I'm gonna reference my thing. I am ever present, calm, confident, dignified, sovereign, trusting of myself, the universe. Living in flow and alignment. Ooh, let's try alignment. No, because then this is gonna give me like measuring sticks or something. Ever present, calm, confident, dignified, sovereign, trusting of myself. The universe? No. Dang, I want to put a third eye, but I'm gonna honor that this is over. Okay, now we're on blue. Okay. Blue stands for my relationships, but not my marriage. Friends, specifically girlfriends. Ooh, but I like this. Okay, cute. Like I want girlfriends. I have long distance girlfriends, but like, let's get a little silhouette going. That's fun. No, that just looks weird. Okay, how about of my own friends, but I feel like I don't have time right now to search for the ones I really want. Is it messed up if I put that here? That was in my uploads for a thumbnail I tried to make. I know the point of the movie is that they're mean and they're not really friends, but I think it's kind of iconic. Yeah, you know what? I don't like this photo. I'm sorry. That's the vibe. Like I want girlfriends to go out with and like do each other's hair and makeup. Cute. Relationships isn't just about having friends like to go out with. It's also like wanting to be a good citizen in my community and stuff. Like it's my relationship to the world at large as well. I can't imagine I have much more time. Nailed it. Dang, is it just me or have these last two sucked? Green represents wealth. That's gonna be easy. Stack of cash, cute, love it. A little stack of coins, that could be fun. This one I'm not so sure what to put. Like what else do I do besides like just cash? Do I just keep? Oh, shopping. That's cute enough. I really don't know like what other, like I could put private jet, but like I don't care about having a private jet. Ooh, I do want a clawfoot bathtub. Ooh, this thing of diamonds, that's kind of cute. All right, maybe more jewelry. just swimming in cash. Okay. Actually, that turned out better than I thought. All right. Repeat. Now we move on to yellow. This one should be easier because it's creative and there's a lot of stuff. Did I forget to reset? Oh, I was like, dang. Now we move on to orange, which is fun, pleasure, and excitement. I think that's cute, actually. So this is love, passion, romance. All right, whatever, I have to move on. And brown is environment. Now we're catching a vibe. Okay, wait, this is my last one. Life maintenance. Oh man, let's look at them all. Wow. Some of them are kind of vibey and cute. This one sucks. Okay, so I uploaded all the covers. And look, oh my God. I think it's actually so cute. I'm not gonna lie, last night after our little like surface retouching, I was like happy with it, but I really wanted more, and I think this just did the trick. That said, I think we could do more. For obvious reasons, that'll have to wait till tomorrow.